YouTube, what's going on today? It looks like I might be starting my greenhouse. I didn't think it would happen this year, but the space is somewhat clear. Went ahead and got the timber today, and to me that's a big positive sign that this greenhouse may get built this season. I would love for it to get built because I have a lot of citrus trees, banana trees that I can actually put in here for the winter. Just looking at the yard last winter just to check, see where I get the most sun. This location gets a lot of sun, and that's because those trees, the leaves die back, they're gone. Over here gets a lot of sunlight, and on the far side of the property gets a lot of sunlight after the trees lose their leaves. So the greenhouse that I've had for about a year. Actually got it free. God is good. Got it free. The greenhouse itself is 8 by 10, so it's a nice size, but it needs to be beefed up because it's not the best quality material. So this is why I'm going with the 4x4s. I figure 2 beams will go here, and those are 10, and the 2 go across the bottom, or the front and the back. Those are 8, and then we got 10-foot poles. Those are going to go in each corner 2 feet down. They're going to be cemented in because I'm looking for a real sturdy foundation. The greenhouse is going to be tapped to the wood at the bottom, so it will remain in place. In order to stop the shifting of the wind, that's why the 4 beams are going up. Also, I'm going to get some conduit so that way I can stop the twisting at the top, and that's going to go across the beams. What else? I'm going to have grow lights in here, possible heat. I don't know if I'm going to go with solar. I may go with solar because it's a long way to dig a trench from there to here. It's kind of a distance, and I don't know if I want to do that. What else am I going to do? The floor is going to be probably that black mulch right there. It's going to be that, or it's going to be patio pavers. I do have some 24 by 24 inch. That could go at the bottom. As far as water, I might just use my emergency IBC tank on the side and run water from there to here some kind of way, as opposed to running water from the house. I use an IBC tank. And for the roof, I'm going to see if I can come off with a runoff system to collect water also, maybe a 50-gallon barrel. Preferably black to retain some heat at night. Other than that, not sure exactly what other designs are going to put into it, but I'm looking forward to this. We may start construction today. We may start it tomorrow. But what we're going to do first is we're going to mark off our square or rectangle. And we're going to get a tiller, and we're going to dig down. We want to at least go down 6 inches. Maybe a little bit more, because we're going to build the soil back up. But we're going to dig down, flatten everything real good, then start constructing. So keep your abreast.